हेलो। फूलों से तुम महक उड़ाकर मेहनत का आगाज करो, नई क्रांति की ज्वाला देकर अब फिर से तुम प्रयास करो, छाकर तुम अब आसमान में रवि सा यूं प्रकाश करो, देश को नई ऊर्जा देकर उन्नति अब ललाट करो, उन वीरों के वीर भूमि पर तुम्हें बताने आई हूँ, ऐ भारत के नरेंद्र जनों में तुम्हें जगाने आई हूँ। A very fastidious afternoon to honorable dignitaries, eminent judges, and all my beautiful youth and worthy opponent present over here. This is Vaishnavi Vinod Rathod from RLD Science College, Akola. Today standing before you to talk on a very crucial and ignited topic of this era, that is aim of Advanced India, Vikasit Bharatache Dheya. If I talk about my India, Bharat, it itself has emotion. Every part, every region, indeed every nook and corner of this country has something beautiful to add to the cumulative beauty. Our country stands for unity, beauty and diversity. As a responsible youth of India and a proud citizen, it's my due responsibility to work towards the betterment of my country. And India is on the verge to become a tech giant, which encouraged me to talk on this topic. Self-reliant is not just a word now. It has become mantra for 140 crore countrymen which are standing today. Our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi mentioned about Amrit Kal, where the government will come and go, political parties will come and go, but India will still remain that vibrant and every people will live with peace and harmony. Friends, yesterday is not ours to recover, but tomorrow is our win or loss. Tomorrow is nothing but the outcome of our today's action. And the speed and measure brought by the fourth industrial revolution are not meant to be ignored today. It is based on AI-based technology, nanotechnology, pH meter, fertility meter, which is shaping our future and which is the aim of Advanced India. Agriculture. India is blessed with the agricultural land. Farmers are the soul and pillar of our nation. And what we are doing to create awareness, we need to create awareness about pH meter, fertility meter, which will help farmers to grow a very good, healthy crops and which is directly increasing our economy. Today we are on the third position in terms of economy, but by coming 2047, when we'll be completing 100th year of independence, we will be on the first state after China and Russia. Today we are blessed with a great Ram temple in Ayodhya. What it signifies? The aim of our Advanced India to take our culture and heritage together. To make our India advanced, and it is increasing tourism, indirectly we are making our India as the strongest nation. What were the discussions of G20? G20 talked about education reform, about climate change, and what need to change today in education. Today we want our education as not only quantity, but we want it as quality. आज का युवा कैसा हो जो खुद बेरोजगारी के पीछे न भागते हुए खुद एक ऐसा व्यवसाय बनाए जहां 1000 लोगों को रोजगार देके इस बेरोजगारी को खत्म कर दे. We want our youth as not only as job givers, job seekers, but what as job givers. We want every girl to come out, raise her voice, because these are the changes which will need to make our India as the most strongest economy, strongest nation in all over the world. Today, it is not possible by a single person, as the future of the nation lies in the hand of its youth. The more we empower our youth today, the more our nation will witness in future. And to uproot all the problems like malnutrition, unemployment, corruption, today we need to take the steps and inculcate it in us. तू है इस नवयुग का युवक, समय को अपना ना व्यर्थ गवा, तय कर अपने लक्ष्य को, तू लक्ष्य के लिए योजना बना. As today we are going from, as if we want to stop corruption and it's the aim of our Advanced India, we are shifting from offline mode to online mode, where our money are on the safe hands. अपने अंदर की प्रतिभा से शिखर पर हम जाएंगे, निष्ठा, देशभक्ति और कर्मठता को आचरण में लाएंगे. जात पात के भेदभाव को सदैव के लिए भूल जाएंगे, अपने अंदर की खूबियों से इस पावन धरती को चमकाएंगे. जब अपने लिए नहीं इस देश के लिए सोचेंगे हम, तब निश्चित ही विकसित भारत हम बनाएंगे, तब निश्चित ही विकसित राष्ट्र हम बनाएंगे. थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर लिसनिंग पीसफुली. इफ यू हैव एनी क्वेश्चंस, योर क्वेश्चंस आर वेलकम.
Very nice, Vaishnavi. Any question?
You have explained very well like what you need to have as a developed nation by 2047. I just want to know what you think as an individual. It's our responsibility that how we can contribute towards this our aim to be a developed nation by 2047.
Thank you for your question. As we all know that on my level, on your level, what our aim is to do, create awareness. Today I am standing here on my level. If I am giving speech, then where I am creating awareness among you. And if we want to be on the youth on our level, we just now need to create awareness and inculcate all that things in us, so that to make our India as the most strong nation. Thank you.
आहेत कोणाला प्रश्न अजून?
Any more questions? Thank you so much.
नाही. छान. वैष्णवी, यानंतर आमंत्रित करते